In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a tiny Cavalier King Charles Spaniel puppy named Biscuit. Biscuit was not your average puppy, he had a unique talent. He could communicate with an advanced AI generator that his tech-savvy owner, Emma, had created. One sunny afternoon, Biscuit was playing in the park when he noticed a small, lost kitten meowing softly under a bench. Biscuit's heart went out to the little feline, but he knew he needed help to reunite the kitten with its family. He rushed back home, his tiny paws clicking on the pavement. Back at the apartment, Biscuit jumped onto the couch where Emma's laptop was open. He nudged the touchpad with his nose, activating the AI generator. A friendly voice greeted him. "Hello, Biscuit. How can I assist you today?" Biscuit barked softly, and the AI generator translated his barks into words. "Found kitten. Lost. Need help." Emma, who was in the kitchen, heard the alert from her laptop. She rushed over and saw the message on the screen. "Biscuit, you found a lost kitten? Let's go find it." The AI generator quickly processed the request. "Understood, Biscuit. I will alert Emma and provide her with the necessary information." "Good job." The owner thanked Emma and Biscuit profusely. "You two are heroes," she exclaimed, tears of joy in her eyes. Back home, Emma praised Biscuit for his bravery and cleverness. "You're the best, Biscuit," she said, giving him a treat. Biscuit wagged his tail happily, knowing he had made a difference. He nudged the laptop again, and the AI generator spoke. "Well done, Biscuit. You're a true hero." From that day forward, Biscuit and his AI generator became a beloved duo in the neighborhood, always ready to help those in need.